even during this situation right now, if you look at people that think with their brain, not with their heart, they're gonna be like, oh my God, I'm definitely staying in Dubai because the reason why I came here is still the same. Tax haven, it's still safe. And if you tell me, oh, what do you mean it's still safe? You guys had a missile intercepted, 95% of them. This country is more ready than any other countries. If whatever happened in the GCC had happened in some other country, they're not going to be ready. They're just going to be like, oh, what are we going to do now?